Welcome to the tutorial on how to create a study schedule that works for you. In this presentation, we will guide you through the process of creating an effective study schedule to maximize productivity and achieve your academic goals. Let's get started. Tip 1. Assess your goals and priorities. Before creating a study schedule, identify your academic goals and priorities. Consider the subjects or topics you need to focus on, upcoming exams, and any other commitments you have outside of studying. Remember to take a moment to think about your academic goals and priorities. Knowing what you want to achieve will help you tailor your study schedule to suit your needs. Tip 2. Assess your goals and priorities. Now, let's analyze your current time availability. Take a close look at your daily and weekly schedule to determine how much time you can allocate for studying. Consider your classes, work, extracurricular activities, and personal commitments. This will help you determine how much time you can dedicate to studying. Tip 3. Choose the right study environment. Next, choose a study environment that works best for you. Find a comfortable and distraction-free study environment that suits your learning style. It could be a quiet corner of your room, a cozy library, or even a comfortable outdoor spot. Find a place where you can focus without distractions. Make sure you have access to all necessary study materials in this space. Tip 4. Determine your peak study hours. Identify the times of day when you are most alert and focused. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Schedule your most challenging study sessions during these peak hours for better retention and understanding. Tip 5. Create a weekly study schedule template. Design a study schedule template that outlines your weekdays and weekends. Allocate specific time slots for each subject or topic you need to study. Tip 6. Include breaks in your schedule. Breaks are essential for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. Schedule short breaks between study sessions to relax and recharge. Tip 7. Be realistic and flexible. Set achievable study goals for each session to avoid overwhelming yourself. Be open to adjusting your schedule when unexpected events occur. Tip 8. Use study tools and techniques. Incorporate different study techniques like active recall, spaced repetition, and summarization. Utilize study apps, flashcards, and other tools to enhance your learning experience. Tip 9. Review and revise regularly. Regularly review your study schedule to track progress and make necessary changes. Revise the schedule as needed to accommodate new priorities or optimize study efficiency. Tip 10. Stay consistent and stay motivated. Consistency is key to making your study schedule effective. Stay motivated by setting rewards for accomplishing your study goals. Creating a study schedule tailored to your needs is crucial for academic success. By assessing your goals, managing your time wisely, and staying consistent, you'll achieve better results and reduce stress in your studies. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever created a study schedule before? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Until next time, happy